Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to flash, repair and fix different software faults on Zte Obsidian, alias known as Zte Z820. It's available on both T-Mobile and Metro PCS networks from the USA. The sample we have here, it's working just fine, but we intend to update the software on it by flashing. Let's check the current software on it. So current version on this one is B18. Latest available version from the support area is B30. So we are going to flash it using that one. So now I'm going to power off the device. In order to flash this phone, I'm going to use FURIOUSGOLD software OT Smart from the pack 6. So let's write here the model. And from the options, I'm going to choose Right Factory Firmware. And I'm going to select this firmware. It's also available on the support area. Now we press connect. We connect this phone by keeping pressed volume up while inserting the USB cable in the powered off phone. You can see the same here on the instructions. So let's connect it as I said. I'm going to press here the volume up and I keep it pressed, and I'm going to insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected by the software and the process starts. Also, don't try to flash Metro PCS firmware in the T-Mobile and vice versa, because there is a small hardware difference between them, and you are going to lose the email, but you can simply fix this by flashing back the correct firmware. Okay, flashing done. 4 minutes required. Now let's power on the phone and check if the firmware changed indeed. It's going to take a while till the phone starts after flashing. It's going to appear to be hanged on the logo, but all you need to do is to wait a little. Okay, so now let's do the basic configuration. Skip, skip, skip. Okay, let's check the new firmware version. As you see, latest firmware version installed on it, so everything is working just fine. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.